Are you tired of forgetting English words again and again? What if I told you there's a simple way to train your brain to remember them forever? Let's unlock the secret together, right now in this video. Welcome back to Fluent Reads, your favorite space to grow in English step by step every single day. Learning English words can feel like climbing a mountain, right? You learn a word today, and tomorrow it's gone. But don't worry, this is normal. Our brain needs the right method, not just repetition. Today, we'll fix that. Let's start with something powerful. Your brain remembers what it connects with. That means you don't just memorize a word, you give it meaning, feeling, and context. Imagine if the word becomes part of your life. You'll never forget it. So here's the first strategy. Say the word out loud. Don't just read it. When you speak it, your brain uses your mouth, ears, and memory together. This builds strong connections. That's why speaking is not just practice, it's power. Second, use the word in your own sentence. Make it personal. The more you relate it to your own life, the longer it stays in your memory. For example, instead of writing random sentences, think about your day. Where can this word fit? That's how it becomes yours. Next tip, repeat with space. Repeating a word 10 times in 1 minute may help you remember it for an hour. But if you repeat it once today, once tomorrow, and again after 2 days, your brain saves it better. This is called spaced repetition. Use it. Another great way to remember English words is through visualization. Picture the word in your mind. If it's an object, see it. If it's an action, imagine it. Your brain loves images. Words plus pictures equal strong memory. Now let's talk about the power of shadowing. When you repeat after a speaker, instantly you're training your memory and pronunciation at the same time. This is one of the fastest ways to build vocabulary without stress. Try it with podcasts, YouTube videos, or my own practice sessions here. Also, keep a mini vocabulary notebook. But here's a trick. Don't just write the word. Write how you used it today. Write how it made you feel. Keep it emotional because emotion creates memory. And here's something many learners miss. Relax. Yes, relax when learning. If you're stressed, your brain blocks new information. But when you're calm, curious, and enjoying the process, you learn faster and remember longer. The final step? Use the word daily. Even if it's just one new word a day, speak it, hear it, read it, write it. Make it part of your world. Now it's your turn. Pick one word today and follow these techniques. See how powerful your memory becomes. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe to Fluent Reads, and share this with a friend who's also learning English. Let's grow together.